Hello teacher, hello everyone. I'm Ngoc from Team 1. Today we talk about where do animals get food in the winter. In this picture, we can see a fox walking through the snowy forest and the weather is very cold. When the winter comes, the places are covered by snow and ice. The food is scarce and conditions are harsh. So, how can animals survive in the winter? Let me tell you 3 kinds of that. The first one is storing food. The second one is conserving the energy. And the last one is migration.
I'm Anna from Team 2, and the first way animals survive the winter is by storing food, and this can happen in 2 main forms. The first is external storage and internal storage. In external storage, animals hide food in different places so that can be used later. Some animals like squirrels or blue jays, they store food underground in their dens or inside a tree and many other places to protect it from cold winter, cold temperatures and other animals. You can see a blue jay is putting a nut inside a tree, and a group of bumblebees make enough honey to last the hive throughout the winter. In internal storage, animals store food inside their own bodies. During warm months, they eat more food than they actually need when food is still abundant. The extra food then is converted into fat and stored in their bodies under the animal skins. During winter, when food becomes scarce, animals' bodies use this fat to provide energy, and that energy will help animals to keep warm and continue activities. For example, beavers, they store fat inside their tails. Queen bumblebees, they eat a lot of nectar to fatten their bodies, and bears, they eat a lot during spring and fall to survive in the winter without eating. But storing a lot of fat still have disadvantage. Carrying extra weight can make animals move more slowly, and for example, seals, they store thick layer of fat inside their bodies, but this makes them less flexible on land. In conclusion, storing food is not just about storing food in their dens inside a tree, but also about fattening the bodies.
I'm V from Team 2. Let's move to another way animals deal with winter is by conserving energies. There are 2 main ways to do this is dormancy and hibernation. We can simply understand it as dormancy is like a light sleep, but hibernation is a deep sleep. For example, we have chipmunk. Chipmunk do not sleep continuously throughout the winter. Instead, they enter a short period of deep rest and wake up from time to time to eat the food they stored earlier. After eating, they return to dormancy, which helps them to save energy while still staying alive. Unlike the dormancy of chipmunk, snake and bat enter a deep state of hibernation. During this period, their body temperature drops, their breathing slows, and their heart rate decreases significantly. By remaining almost completely inactive, they are able to survive for a long period without eating food. And bear also conserve energy for long winter sleep. Although bear not hibernate as deeply as snake and bat, they just stay in their den and using the fat stored in their body to stay alive.
I'm Ngọc from Team 1, from Team 2. Yes, and now, do you see these pictures show a lot of birds fly through the sky. Yes, and this is called migration. During the winter in the Arctic, a type of reindeer called caribou, they have to move hundreds of miles to a place that has more food for them. Even in spite of having many challenges, but they have to move to another way, because when they just stand here, they can die with this harsh reason. This reason is so hot and harsh with a lot of almost animal. So even the insects have to migrate. And for example, that is monarch butterflies. They have to move hundreds of miles to find the better climates for them. And you know, natural is a circle. The animal eats plants, eat nuts, eat fruit, but after that, finally, plant benefits from animal, and that is a circle of life. This is my all of team's presentation. Thank you for listening.